Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komalkar Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English text. In this we will revise chapter 5, Nani Walks to the Park. So let's start a revision. This story is about a boy called Vikas and his Nani who describes their journey to the park. So children, who is Nani? Nani is your mother's mother or your maternal grandmother. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Today, Vikas wants to go with her. So, one time in a week, Nani goes to the park and today Vikas wants to go with her. And then at that time, Nani says, Vikas, that I walk slowly, I take time. Vikas said, I don't mind Nani, it's okay, let's go. Nani says, let's go through the lane of treasures. So here, when they are ready and Nani picks up her shopping bag and start moving, that time Vikas says that we have to go this way. The way of the park is this way. That time Nani says, no, but we will walk through the lane of treasures. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas says to take a shortcut. Nani smiles, though we have to go through the lane of happiness first. So children, first they visited lane of treasures. There they do shoppings. It's a lane of treasure. It is the market. There you will find many things to shop. She buys milk and other things. Then they move to lane of happiness. So what is there in the lane of happiness, children? When Nani is moving through the lane of happiness, there she stops and politely, very softly, she says, come, come. So who came? Cats and dogs tumble out from every direction. So who tumble out from every direction? Cats and dogs. And what they do? When they come, Nani poured them milk. Vikas was very happy to see that. So Vikas is very happy to see all this. Okay, so this is the lane of happiness. Then they walk through the lane of mischief. Now they are moving to the lane of mischief. They took a left from there and they moved to lane of mischief. Their children are playing and enjoying. They are playing and laughing. At that time Vikas said, oh, is this the lane of noise? Nani says, no, it is the lane of mischief. They are playing games like Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. Nani says, this lane reminds me of you and your friends. Okay. Vikas asks, have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? So Vikas is asking Nani that, have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? At that time Nani says, no, I have named only those lanes that are important to me, that are close to my heart. Nani's friend lives in the lane of friendship. So now they are going to lane of friendship. So who lives in the lane of friendship? Nani's friend lives there. They have grown together and now they are old. They share a strong bond. Okay children, they are very happy to each other. They talked and laughed and at last Nani said goodbye. Okay. After this, Nani buys some books from the lane of dreams. Okay children, now they are at lane of dreams. This lane of dreams has books more than Vikas library. There the bookseller sells old books. So children, Nani buys some books and they start moving to the park. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. So they have to cross the lane of magic to reach the park. And how is a lane of magic? It is very beautiful. There are big shady trees. Red and yellow flowers are all on the ground like a magic carpet. Okay children? At last they are at the park. There Vikas says, can I come with you next week too? So finally they are at the park. Vikas is very happy. They are thinking about the places and people, and then he says, can I come with you next time too? Because he loved going there and visiting all the lanes. Okay children, our revision of this chapter is finished here. Now we will revise our book work. So children, open your book, take out page number 36. Question A. Match the correct lane to the reason for its name. So children, name of the lanes are given and their explanation is given to you that what the lanes are. You have to match the name with the correct lane. Number 1 is lane of friendship. So what is the answer? Answer is, this is where Nani's old friend lives. Okay. Nani's old friend lives in lane of friendship. Number 2, lane of magic. So this lane is covered in flowers and looks like a magic carpet. Yes, it looks like a magic carpet. Flowers looks like a magic carpet. That is why it is called lane of magic. Now number 3, lane of treasure. Match it with this. It has the market where everything is sold. Lane of happiness. Match it with this. Watching the cats and dogs drink milk here makes Nani happy. So when cats and dogs finishes their milk, Nani and Vikas are very happy there. Lane of mischief. This is where many children laugh, play and have fun. So children are very naughty, they laugh, they have fun, that is why it is called lane of mischief. Children, turn to page number 41. Vikas has a lot of fun at the park. Look at the pictures, then complete the paragraph. So children, look, first we have to look at the picture and then complete the paragraph. Vikas and Nani are at the park. Vikas dash. So look at picture number 1. Vikas plays on the slide. He then dash. So look at picture number 2. Plays with the cat. Nani buys dash. Look at picture number 3. Answer is a balloon for Vikas. So Nani buys a balloon for Vikas. He is very happy. Then Vikas sits down and dash. So what is Vikas doing in picture number 4? Reads his comic book. Answer is reads his comic book. After a while he gets hungry. Nani and Vikas dash. So look at picture number 5. What are they doing? Eat ice creams. Nani and Vikas eat ice creams. They relax for some time, then they dash. So after relaxing for some time, they go home. Answer is G-O, go, H-O-M-E, home. Okay children? Children, now we will revise our copy work. New words. First we will revise new words, okay? Number 1, C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. Number 2, F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. Number 3, H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. Number 4, T-U-M-B-L-E, tumble, O-U-T, out, tumble out. Number 5, L-A-N-E, lane. Number 6, S-H-O-R-T-C-U-T, shortcut. Okay children? Now we will revise word meaning. Number 1 is treasures. So what is the meaning of treasures? Beautiful and valuable things. Okay, what is the meaning of treasures? Beautiful and valuable things. Number 2, ahead. What is the meaning of ahead? Meaning of ahead is in front of. Number 3 is mischief. Meaning of mischief is naughty behavior. Children, now we will revise make sentences. Number 1 is library. So sentence for this is, our school library has many books. Okay. Underline the word library. Number 2, market. She goes to the market once a week. So children, underline the word market. Number 3, park. A park is a place for fun. Underline the word park. Children, now we will revise who said to whom. Number 1, is this the lane of noise? So who said these lines? Do you remember? Answer is Vikas said to Nani. Okay children. Number 2, let's go. We are almost at the park now. So who said these lines? Answer is Nani said to Vikas. Okay. Answer the questions. Question 1. Why does Nani take a long time to get to the park? Answer is Nani takes time to get to the park because she takes a longer path to go there. What is the answer, children? Because she takes a longer path to go there. Okay. Question 2. Where does Nani take Vikas first? Answer is Nani takes Vikas first to the lane of treasures. So first they visited lane of treasures. Now question 3. Why does Nani call the lane with the bookshops the lane of dreams? Answer is she said so because books make us imagine different worlds through stories. There are many stories in the books about, some are about country, some are about people, some are about different places that we have never visited. So it makes us imagine different worlds through stories. Okay. Now we will revise some new words of this chapter. Okay. So P-A-R-K, park. L-A-N-E, lane. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E-S, treasures. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Children, B-R-E-E-Z-E. So children, I hope these words are clear to you. Now, children, I hope you have understood the revision well with me, and keep your bookwork and copywork updated. Kindly watch the recorded videos. Keep learning. Thank you.